Welcome back for another video. Today I'm announcing about the stickers for the Batman, Thomas Batman. If you see the link below, that means the stickers are available. If you don't see the link, then you can contact me on Facebook, so and probably I might have it available. So again, check the link below, only for the US buyers. So international buyers or people from other countries, you gotta go on Facebook and send me a message about requiring these stickers. Unfortunately, shipping out of US to any country around the world is $1.30 just to put this on the mail. On top of that, you gotta check the price I have for these stickers on the link below. That's the price for US, and you gotta add $1.30 at the moment. That's the post office price. Okay, so here is what you can accomplish. You can make your own Thomas Batman. You can watch the video right over here, over here, I think over here. So the link is right here. How I made it. This Thomas, basically I paint everything black, semi-gloss black. The only thing I did, I covered the eyes and the chin, the mouth on this area below, and the rest was black. Now for these wheels, you can paint the wheels, you can paint them black, or you can get them from James. These model engines are really cheap here. You can find these on here in the US in a yard sale for 50 cents or $1. It's the most common model engine on every set here on or any part of the world that you can find Thomas, the tank engine, and you can make this Batman with this model engine. Otherwise, you can find it for a very low price on your local or online stores here in the US, and I think other countries have available this model engine now. So I use the wheels from this James to just not to paint, so I don't have to paint the wheels, but you can paint it if you don't have access to another James. It's very easy. You just take the shell off like this, cover the eyes, the mouth, and spray paint everything. That's what I did. You can check my videos on YouTube here on my main channel. Also, the stickers are easy, just like a regular sticker. Just peel off and stick to the area. And right here, and as you can see on my video, this little flap folds to the inside. I mean, to the top right here. You gotta fold it like this, and then it stay in that place. So it's really cool model engine. Instead of buying, I'm not selling this model right now, but I used to sell it for $45 on eBay plus taxes, because eBay is forcing us, the sellers, to increase the prices because of shipping, free shipping, and the taxes and hidden fees from eBay. So anyways, instead of buying these custom made from other sellers or from me, just buy the stickers from the US buyers. If you see the link below, that means it's still available. Otherwise, you can check my Facebook page. Maybe you can find it there. That's for future references, because I don't know if it's gonna stay for a long time, because it sells too fast, and I'm very, very busy at the moment. Other thing I want to recap is, if you are in another country, check the price I have for these stickers, and then you gotta add $1.30 on top of that to ship the model the stickers to your country now. And I will do that via invoice. So you gotta contact me for the international buyers. You gotta contact me on Facebook, and you can find me on Custom Trackmasters. That's the main, and Google. You will be redirected to the Facebook page. So it's very easy. You know, instead of if you already have one of these, you can make your own Batman model engine from Trackmaster, and that's very easy. You know, it's very easy to do. I mean, it's gonna take you a little bit of time at the first time when you make one of these, but once you have practice, you will be a pro making customs with the stickers. So that's pretty much it. I will upload more videos about stickers if they are available, because I can only make 50 listings for products on my PayPal account. So I hope you like this video. Thank you very much for your time, and see you later. Bye.